This topic actually sheds light on the fact that sometimes, in the name of religion, the wrongs that women faced, it was all in the name of religion. And if you want to know a little about Magdalene Laundries, let me tell you that it was a concept. Well, when people speak about fiction, they would never think that a fiction could teach you something that happened back in time. Now, I recently picked Claire Keegan's Small Things Like These. It's a short book, it's under 100 pages. And this book was mentioned as one of the favorites book recommendation by Killian Murphy in the podcast Inklings by Jack Edwards. And I was intrigued to pick this book up. And later I found out that Killian Murphy had himself worked and made a movie out of it. So this book actually talks about a man called Furlong. He has 4 or 5 daughters and a wife, and he's living a content life. He has everything, and his job is to deliver coal in Ireland. When there is cold weathers, he delivers coal to everybody. And one day, while he's delivering coal in a church, he finds this one girl living there. And then this book talks about Magdalene Laundries. Now this was original concept in the 18th and 20th century in Ireland, and that is why when I say this, I tell you that fiction is a great starter point to know about something that happened in reality in the name of fiction, and this can intrigue you to read more. Now, if to give you a little gist about it, I will tell you what Magdalene Laundries was. It was originally set up to rehabilitate women, and the women who were sent in were considered to have fallen out of moral virtue. It was a term used for the women who were unmarried, women who had sex outside marriage, orphans, poor girls who had no family support, and they were sent and kept in these churches. They were given poor livelihood. They were made to do these laundry services. They were in a very strict and inhuman environment and had poor treatments given. They did not have basic lifestyle also given to them, and nobody could question the church, because in the name of faith you don't question a lot of things, because there are a lot of wrongs also that can happen in the name of faith, and it can make you think a lot of things when you think about faith and what more things happen in the name of faith. Is it right or wrong? And that is captured in this book beautifully. So in case you want to dive into a starting point to know the concept of Magdalene Laundries, you can pick this book up. After that, you can actually do your research, find more books on Magdalene Laundries, fiction, non-fiction, biography, memoir, whatever, and you can pick and know about it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.